Today I'll show you why many Kenyans get penalties even after filing returns on time. KRA actually has two dates, miss one and you pay. Any balance of tax for last year is legally due by 30th April, before paperwork. Annual return is due by 30th June, 2 months after you pay your balance of tax due for last year. KRA adds a one-off 5% penalty plus 1% interest on the tax due every month after 30th April. Let's have a real-life simple example. Assuming your tax due by 30th April was 20,000, then you paid on June 30th, penalty will be 1,000, that is 5% of 20,000, plus an interest of 400. Waiting 2 months from 30th April cost this taxpayer 1,400 extra on penalties and interest. So for every month this 20,000 remains unpaid, this taxpayer incurs an interest of 200 shillings. Best tip next time, pay any balance as soon as you know it before 30th April, then file calmly before June 30th. Need help calculating or paying your balance? My email is on the description below. Subscribe for more stress-free KRA tips and see you in the next video.
Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like these.